Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. I'm David Einstein, will be one of the super journalists with the out there and pundits also. So Baba can come aside and talk about Arsenal, their transfer, Arsenal owners, and how then they plan for this January. So David Einstein can let us know. So the Chrome case, they back Edu Gaspar, who will be the sporting director, and Arteta to sign this Mikhailo Mudryk because they don't say Arsenal really need this guy to go to the next level of what they want to do for Arsenal. So they back them massively. So even David Einstein can talk say in sources. If we did for Shakhtar Donetsk, don't come out and let them know say Arsenal go agree a deal with Shakhtar Donetsk for January to sign this Mikhailo Mudryk. Like it is certain, it is a guarantee. So you don't come outside, they put in hat in the ring, they let us know say Arsenal will sign this player, you get, because the owners, they don't do meeting with them Arteta and Edu Gaspar, so they don't tell them say this is the blueprint, this is what we need this player to achieve what we want to achieve. Now I'm not even talking about the top four, they're talking about winning the league. So they don't say this is a massive opportunity because next season may not be as easy as this season, because this season as such with the fly high. Next season, who knows, all those kind of Newcastle now go buy some kind of men, Man City feel re-strengthening again, all those Chelsea what say them they play where if you going pumping more money, Manchester United pumping more money. So next season, every season becomes harder in the EPL. So but this season, I just feel this is our time. Even if we no qualify, even if we no win the league, at least top 4, Shola, we'll just enter there. So let's just see how all these things are going. So away from that, so Mikel Arteta self come they give injury updates on some of our players. So first of all, you can talk about Tomiyasu. So Tomiyasu gets some kind of injury, then a thigh injury at the hamstring, I don't even know. So they said the guy will soon come back very soon because they are expecting him to play a bit for the match where they will play against West Ham on Boxing Day. So that one they go don't recover by then, according to Arteta, saying go down the okay. Then away from that, so they're going to look at Zinchenko, we get calf injury. The same thing they say before the match, the way they will play against West Ham, say himself will don't recover and he will play a bit in that match. But once with him, we say we still get Kylian with the 100% fit and get a clean bill of health. Then for that right back place, now there Ben White did there. So these people really get injury. They not be really, if we they no play we no go really disturb us again because we still get Ben White with this solid, confirm 100% fit, nothing they do and we get I'll get it 100% fit. So more just see how everything they go. The major concern we will just get now and just Gabriel Jesus and Reece Nelson. Apart from those two, I think every other person is okay and good to go. Now, one of our mandatory spirits they call 90 minutes. They don't come outside, they let us know say Arsenal they sideline their pursuit of Danilo of Palmeiras. See the one they look for Yuri Tillemans, and what make them call they put Tillemans as that priority now because Chelsea don't enter the fray. Chelsea don't enter the race to sign a Yuri Tillemans, and that Yuri Tillemans deal it is somehow tricky because I know say for January anybody will offer less than that kind 20-25 million pounds will get this guy, regardless of say maybe the guy gets 6 months left on his contract. Everything are money, my brother, because Leicester self won't sign Azedine, get Onuahi, they won't sign that Moroccan player self to use and replace Yuri Tillemans, and then they prepare a bid of 39 million pounds. So it will make sense if Arsenal give them 20-25 million pounds, they go add them with another money, can go buy that player to replace this Yuri Tillemans. Than say maybe Yuri Tillemans can do they come out as a free agent at the end of the summer. You know go pay them again, they don't go gain anything again. So that's what I'm saying. And I say Chelsea now on that third, but you say Chelsea they get banned now, so they know the price. How much if you tell them they go bust everywhere. So much that they see how it they go. So like I don't talk about before. So if Arsenal sign Danilo, that means going for Yuri Tillemans might be a no-brainer because we can't just have all these people. Yes. But more than see last year, I know say we are doing something in January. Arsenal don't make inquiry about Nicolo Zaniolo for possible transfer. You get now about this Zaniolo issue. Fabrizio Romano said don't come and talk in own. So Babako talk say Arsenal never starts negotiation with Roma. You get say he don't know whether the deal will take place because you don't hear many rumors. Some people they talk say Arsenal already offer a bid. As of now, Arsenal never offer a bid according to Fabrizio Romano. But Arsenal don't open talks. Now Arsenal they plan to offer a 20-25 million euros for the guy. Okay, they won't sign the guy. Now the bone of contention for that Roma, because I did more research on the guy and I saw that Roma did offer the guy £4 million per year as in base salary, but the guy wants an increment, so in the hold out of 4.5 million. So now be waiting at the drag. Now Roma never give him a contract extension, so make it sign, because everybody know Nicolo Zaniolo is a very gifted player. When it comes to speed, he's there. When it comes to height, he's there. When it comes to ball carry, the guy plays very well. He's a midfielder, he gets. He did very strong. One of the major admirers of this Nicolo Zaniolo now be Antonio Conte, he gets, of Tottenham Hotspur. He like the guy like mad. So Conte, Arteta, all of them just use eye, they scamp the guy, they monitor the situation, make them know whether at the end of the day who go budge, whether Roma under home, so Mourinho will say okay, yeah, give him what he wants, or Zaniolo will say okay, yeah, accept what they want, or everybody go there at stalemate, then the guy go move, you get. And another thing will be like a stumbling block, that the fact say they say Santos of Portugal, he don't resign for his post, you get. So they look to recruit Jose Mourinho, main commot for that Roma, making go the coach Portugal national team. That is the thing. So some players they hold out say, if this gaffer come out, this I go like find my square root. So since never this setting until January, everything will be more and more clearer. So we will know where we stand. Now away from that, so Atletico Madrid don't slap £26 million on Matheus Cunha. You get, this guy is the number 9 of Atletico Madrid, so they want Salah because they need, like, they want to do a major reshuffle. They want come out Joao Felix, come out Cunha, and no know whether they come out as Griezmann or other players, but they are removing a lot of people. They want to like shuffle the pack, like for January sign more players. But this Cunha, Arsenal also they interested in the guy, but not only Arsenal. Manchester United is watching him, Fulham is watching him. As in many clubs, even Chelsea said they watch him, because Chelsea also need number 9. Forget say they don't buy David Fofana, they still need players, because that David Fofana, the only, apart from him, maybe Aubameyang, the natural strikers they have, and then no say Aubameyang the -1, because he no get anything when they know the score, nothing. It's like surplus to requirements. So if they know what they have to do, they need to buy more players. Now for this Cunha, I never know how it will be. More just the watch, whether Arsenal will last offer a bid, or they'll go for Marcus Thuram, or they'll just buy Mikhailo Mudryk, can't do the shuffle. Maybe Mudryk will play left, Saka right, then Martinelli and Nketiah will play for center, pending when Gabriel Jesus will return. All these things are possible scenarios if it happen. So more just the watch. On Olympic Marcel don't agree, say it would be very difficult for them to sign Nuno Tavares from Arsenal again, because the guy is there on loan, so the guy don't play very well, and they score goal. Don't forget saying he played for them for the Champions League, you get. So he played marvelously well. So now they really say maybe they sign, about Arsenal saying no. Don't forget that your loan is without an option to buy, and he has no obligation, you get. So after the loan, help us develop him like you develop Saliba, then just bring him back to us. So that's what it will be. But on the other way around, don't you guys think Arsenal will end up selling Tavares? Because when you look at that left back place, we get a Kylian, we get a Zinchenko, now we have a Tavares. Now, if this guy come back, we can get all these 3 players where everybody go play. Everybody cannot play at the same time. So I go be for Tavares. So the guy go see get chance to express himself, because next season, by the grace of God, we are supposed to be playing Champions League football plus the cups and the league. So how it will be, there will be competition for places, quite alright, but how many games the guy will play? Will he be happy? So that's why most people the talk say make Arsenal Kokuma sell him again, because we don't outgrow people like that. We need like men, senior players, because when you are playing in a league of champions, you need senior men. You can't be using Tavares. Like, these are the opinions of some other people. So I don't know where Arteta stand. I'm not just the watcher. After the loan term, maybe they will send them out on loan again, because number 1 is that he's still young, he can still develop and get into a better player. Our Bukayo Saka don't make l'equipe team of the World Cup, and for the start in the front 3 where they put Bukayo Saka, Mbappe and Messi for the front 3. Like for them, they say this guy is arguably one of the best wingers in that World Cup. He scored 3 goals and he did very well. They just unfortunate say them come out for the World Cup, but they played very well. Get so now, so it just be. So now Saka they come back, I know say he go dey fresh. That guy I just like the boy. You know they prone to injury, you know they sick, you know they like the guy just get clean bill of health. Up on all the kick where they kick and notice they do. I'm like, come on, maybe they just increase that boy salary, because that guy is earning like 30,000-40,000 pounds per week. Can you imagine? With all the old fight when they fight for Arsenal, they just give him the new contract, make it accept, make the salary just boost, because I used to don't give like ×3 of in current earnings. Well, we'll just say as they go. I'm a FIFA president, when they call Infantino, don't come outside, they propose, say, maybe they play the World Cup every 3 years. instead of every 4 years. So I don't know, like the thing they get some pushbacks. Many people they talk to no, many they for the 4 years will be. Some say okay, 3 years they better. So I don't know, even Argentina will win themselves. I see them collect 40 something million pounds as the winners. That's 45 million as the winners get. So the money don't increase like with 5 million increase more. So I don't know whether people will accept that proposal, because all these players we see, they no be robots. Imagine playing the league, finish playing everything, Champions League, Europa League, and everything. At the end of the day, you know rest. You can't go World Cup, go play again. Now after World Cup, you know go rest. How many weeks? Maybe 1-2 weeks. You don't come back to resume the league again. Come on, man. You can't kill yourself now. So that's so you just be well. We just watch as they go. I just monitor the media space. Man, see the pushbacks. People dey for this proposal. Mario Ferdinand said, don't come and say I call it talk, say for the World Cup, say Bukayo Saka outplay Pedri of Spain. Because many people they rate Pedri high. Say the guy did very, very good, he's better, this one, that one. So Bukayo talk say at least Saka scored 3 goals, he played very well. You don't make L'Equipe team of the World Cup. Say all those Pedri, all those Spain players, all those small boy Pedri, Gavi, all those, they are just overrated. You can say Saka outplayed them, outclassed them. Even self, you know, go compare the way Saka and Foden. Like Saka was, if England they give awards, say the best player of the tournament, I think Saka should get it. Saka and Jude Bellingham, because all those arguments between Saka versus Foden, it was clear now against France. I see him. Get when we say that come on Saka, everybody come they complain, say why you come on this boy? Why you come on this boy? He was the best player on the field. Why? Come on, argument is dead and buried. Nobody will resurrect him again. Mikel Sylvester said, don't come outside. I can't talk about Martinelli, Nketiah, Gabriel Jesus. So Babaka talk say make Martinelli step in, can't replace Gabriel Jesus. We don't do very, very injured. So now your own opinion be that. Now the question be say if Martinelli step in, go play centre forward, or come play wing. That's the major question, because sometimes before you propose something, gas think or the no front and back, do reverse psychology, think everything well, because Martinelli is very, very potent on the left hand side. So if you come out and there, the guy if you know they as potent like that for that centre forward, and he could be bullied. That's another thing. Imagine a Martinelli go playing with Sven Botman. They go to play against that kind of Newcastle now. Sven Botman, they go to put Martinelli in the air. I want to play. So all those kind of things. Imagine a Virgin van Dijk versus Martinelli. Imagine a John Stones, a Ruben Diaz versus Martinelli. How you want to happen? So those are things wey me and they look. So it makes sense playing for that flank, playing face the fullback 1v1, looking like a pot of soup, square play. Nketiah wiper or square play, wipe shot. No, all those are possibilities that we know Martinelli for. So you don't remove him from his comfort zone and go and put him in somewhere where he's not comfortable. He don't go play well now. So leave Nketiah there, then put Martinelli on the wing. That's the best place he can be. So I don't know what you think about what Mikel Sylvester they talk. Let me know in the comment section. Even Tony Cascarino said, don't come outside the talk, say Arsenal say they no go sign a short-term striker just like that. Say because they want to replace Gabriel Jesus, we don't get injury. Say no. Say what him they see. Now the fact say Arsenal go only sign the striker that fits their bill, that fits their long-term plan, not just a short stop gap. It has to be somebody who fits a long-term plan, so that even when Gabriel Jesus don't recover, then they go still continue with the person again. No, because after Jesus don't recover, you're going to plan to send the person away. No, go make sense. And the biggest example is Otomelo, where Liverpool collect from Juventus. Where is the guy playing now? How far many games he don't play since income he gets? So that's the thing. And don't forget that they still get Otomelo. Liverpool self see the hurry. Say they want sign some kind of midfielder. They want sign this Moroccan Amrabat. I don't see the name. Say they want sign the guy. Now Liverpool and Tottenham was behind the drag Amrabat. So for you to know, say they still need player. Forget say they don't sign a stopgap. That stopgap, you know, really work. You know, fits into that long-term plan, and that's some kind of mistakes we self we know would like to make, because it is wise for you to learn from other people's mistakes. So more just the word, the best case scenario. Now, so we'll buy a winger if you play anywhere across the front three and rotate them. Then when Gabriel Jesus come, we'll come carry the person go back, because the person is a versatile player. That's the best thing we can do. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click on so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now game out.